with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you an amazing ground beef broccoli penne pasta that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. And amazing ground beef broccoli penne pasta. These are my ingredients: Himalaya salt, black pepper, smoked paprika, broccoli, half an onion, butter, unsalted butter, 3 garlic cloves, tomato paste, tomato sauce, extra lean ground beef, and of course our penne pasta. Let's make this amazing recipe at home. I want to start here showing you the pasta that I'm using. Of course, if you don't have penne pasta at home and you have another type of pasta, feel free to use it. Let me tell you, this recipe really comes out so delicious and amazing. You're going to love it. I have 1.5 pounds of lean ground beef. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. This is everything we need to give this ground beef such a delicious flavor. And here I have half a white onion. I am going to cube it in small little pieces. Just like this. It's actually going to disappear in this amazing recipe. Well, once you have your onion already chopped, just like that, you're going to transfer it to a plate, and then you're going to continue with your garlic cloves. Look at this. I'm using 3 garlic cloves that I'm going to wake up and get the skin off very easily. When you do it like this, you could really remove the skin very easily. And now I am ready to dice away until the garlic is nice and small little pieces. The garlic and the onion is really going to give the ground beef such an amazing flavor. I'm going to put it right onto the onion, and I'm going to continue with the unsalted butter. I love using unsalted butter because I have control of how much salt I am adding to my amazing recipes. And now I'm going to continue with my broccoli. The broccoli florets, I'm just going to cut them through the center, cut them in half, and then that's it. I really want big pieces of the broccoli inside this amazing pasta. Let me continue chopping away. Now I want to show you that I have the tomato sauce and I have the tomato paste. And I'm using 1 whole can of 16 ounces of tomato sauce, and I'm using 1 tablespoon of the tomato paste. Very good. Just like this. Now I have all my ingredients ready to go. This is how you should have everything ready. The broccoli chopped, the florets in small little pieces, your unsalted butter, the garlic diced, the onion diced, your tomato sauce and the tomato paste, of course your ground beef, lean, extra lean, and your pasta. I am ready to start cooking. Let's start preparing the meat. I am going to add first the butter, the garlic, and the onion. I am going to cook it for a couple minutes until the butter has dissolved completely. Of course, the onion and the garlic is going to give the ground beef such an amazing flavor. Once this is incorporated, we're going to go ahead and add the lean ground beef. We're going to incorporate it, pull it apart very good. We're going to cook it in medium heat. Just like that. Look at this. The meat is already releasing the amazing flavor and juices and absorbing the amazing flavor of the onion and the garlic. Well, I'm going to just pull it apart when everything is nice and incorporated. Then I am ready to start adding the amazing and delicious tomato sauce and the tomato paste. Let's add it in here, incorporate it really good, making sure that the ground beef is really covered with the tomato sauce and the tomato paste. Cook it in medium heat, medium to low heat, to give it time so that the pasta starts cooking. So here I just want to leave it just the way it is. Cook it in medium low heat. On another pan I have water boiling. To this I am going to add 2 teaspoons of salt, and I'm going to add a little bit of vegetable oil. I would say 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. The vegetable oil is so that to prevent the pasta from sticking to the bottom or sticking to each other. Once you've added these 2 ingredients, you're ready to pour your penne pasta. Cook it in high heat for about 10 minutes until your pasta is al dente. Don't overcook your pasta. While the pasta is cooking, I am going to go ahead and add 1 cup of that water of the pasta. This is going to really thicken this sauce. In total, I am going to use 2 cups of the liquid where the pasta is cooking. And to tell you the truth, it doesn't take too long for your pasta to cook. Once your pasta is al dente, then you are ready to add 1 more cup of that amazing liquid where the pasta is cooking, and now incorporate it really good. Once you incorporate the 2nd cup of that amazing liquid, add your pasta. Incorporate your pasta really good. Make sure that everything is coated with the amazing sauce. And once it's coated, you're going to add your broccoli florets. I am going to incorporate really good. Cook it for about 2 to 3 more minutes. No more than that. You really want your broccoli to be al dente, to have a little bit of crunch. So don't overcook it. Do not cover your pan. After 2 to 3 minutes, you're ready to prepare your plate and enjoy this amazing recipe. If you got to this part of the video and you like and you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. Look at this. Look how amazing this looks. My mouth is watering, and I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing penne pasta with broccoli. Look at this. Look how amazing this looks. This is the part I love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Excuse me. So delicious. When you cook with love, everything comes out amazing. It's really crunchy. I didn't overcook my pasta. I didn't overcook my broccoli. This is just perfect. Excuse me. So delicious. If you liked and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share it. And don't forget to push the notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing penne pasta with broccoli and ground beef. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.